Hi, my name is Pamela, and this is a short training video about mic technique. If you're watching this video, then you're probably volunteering to narrate an audiobook, which is awesome. So thanks for that work, and I hope this video is helpful for you. The first thing I want to talk about is where you are in relationship to the microphone. A studio microphone will say on it front and back, or maybe it will just say front or just say back, but make sure you have the mic facing the right way. You want to be speaking into the side that says front, and you want to be speaking into the center of that side. Start your mouth about 5 to 10 centimeters away from the microphone, and if you're a loudspeaker, you can pull back a little bit from there, and if you're a quiet speaker, you can come in a little bit closer. But 5 to 10 centimeters is a good place to start. Once you've got that position and you've got the stand in the right place and the microphone is there, really think about your physical comfort. So in that place, are you straining for the microphone? Are you leaning down for the microphone? You need to be able to be comfortable because you're going to be in that spot for a little while. So have a look at that again, readjust if you need to. Make sure your cables are tucked away, because as you can hear, if you touch those or you touch the stand during the recording, we're going to hear all of that. So you want to make sure all of that stuff is sorted out before you actually get recording. So grab your book, make sure that you can see it, that the microphone isn't inhibiting, that you're comfortable, that your body's comfortable, and that you're going to be able to move through that book easily, and you're going to be able to hold that position for all the time you need to throughout your recording. Okay. The last thing I want to talk about is the p sounding that you're hearing a little bit of. That's just my breath hitting the microphone. To avoid that, with the volunteer kits that we're sending out for people that don't have library studios, you'll get a little foam topper that you can put on your microphone to help stop some of that air from hitting the microphone. If you don't have that, or your library studio doesn't have that, then just grab a piece of fabric, put it over the top, and you're going to find that catches some of that breath from making those sounds we don't like so much. So those are a few things to help you get started with your mic technique. I hope it helps and that you have a really good time.